welcome to today's session. My name's Paul Binion. I'm one of the sales engineers here at Hard Dollar Corporation. We're going to learn how you can replace, or what we call swap out, the different resources in your project, and how you can swap out a resource that may be being used in multiple places in your estimate all at the same time. A very quick and easy way for you to be able to make changes to your estimate. Now, I could go in to any one of these items and switch out a resource one at a time. If I need to switch out this dozer for maybe a smaller one, for example. However, there's a much quicker way to be able to handle that. The ability to swap out a resource is accessible from the Tools menu. And in the Tools menu, notice I have the ability to swap a resource. This is also available as a shortcut icon. So when I click on that, it first asks me what is the currently employed resource that you want to switch out. Now I can go ahead and select from a pick list, or I can go ahead and, if I know what the code is, in this case it's the D8 dozer, I can just type it in. And like I mentioned, I can also use a pick list. As we see down here below, when I want to select the new resource that's going to replace the D8 dozers, I can go ahead and select from my list of equipment. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select D6 dozers. So when I click OK, it's now telling me it's going to replace all my D8 dozers with D6 dozers. Now there's another little prompt here. First of all, it'll ask me, do you want to replace just the resources that are not tagged as unique? I may have a D8 dozer that has that little unique icon like you see down here. If that's the case, then it won't replace those unless I choose the second option to replace all resources. So I simply click OK. So then it shows me a list of all of the cost items that have a D8 dozer on them that I'm now going to replace with a D6 dozer. So I simply click OK. Gives me one last prompt just as an extra check. Are you sure you want to do this? The following cost items will be affected by the swap resource command. I click OK. And now the 4 different places where that dozer was originally a D8 dozer, if I look on any one of those cost items, we now see it has a D6 dozer in place. So this can be, once again, a great time saver. You may have dozens, if not hundreds, of items that have a particular resource that may need to get swapped out or replaced, and that's just a fast and easy way to take care of it. So thanks for attending the session. We'll see you next time.